Hey there, welcome to Healthify Remedies. Today we're diving into the top 5 foods doctors warn us to avoid. These might be lurking in your pantry right now. Let's see if you're guilty of indulging in these health saboteurs. Ready? Let's go. Coming in at number 5, fried foods. Yep, we're talking about those golden, crunchy delights like French fries, fried chicken, and onion rings. They're loaded with trans fats, which can clog arteries and increase bad cholesterol. Fried foods also promote inflammation, which doctors link to heart disease and even cancer. So how about swapping those fries for baked sweet potato wedges? Trust me, your heart will thank you. Number 4, sugary cereals. They might look innocent and fun with their bright colors and cartoon mascots, but they're often loaded with sugar and lack any real nutritional value. Think about it. Would you eat 5 spoonfuls of sugar for breakfast? Because that's what's happening here. Instead, try oatmeal topped with fresh fruit for a sweet, fiber-packed start to your day. Number 3 on the list, processed meats. Burgers, bacon, hot dogs, you name it. These meats are often preserved with nitrates and other chemicals that have been linked to increased cancer risk. And don't get me started on the sodium content. A better option? Go for lean proteins like grilled chicken or plant-based alternatives. Next up, number 2, sugary drinks. This one's a biggie. Sodas, energy drinks, and even some fruit juices are packed with sugar, leading to weight gain, diabetes, and tooth decay. Here's a shocking fact. 1 can of soda can have as much sugar as 10 donuts. Crazy, right? Hydrate with water, herbal teas, or infused water with fruits. It's refreshing and guilt-free. And finally, at number 1, candy and sweets. We all love a little treat, but excessive candy consumption is a recipe for disaster. High in sugar and low in nutrients, these sweets can spike your blood sugar, leading to energy crashes and weight gain. If you've got a sweet tooth, opt for dark chocolate or fresh fruit. It's a healthier way to satisfy those cravings. There you have it, the top 5 foods doctors say to avoid. Remember, making small changes to your diet can lead to big improvements in your health. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips to keep you and your family healthy. See you next time on Healthy You.